Hey guys, Retro Badger here. Today we've got the Discovery ship, Crossfield class, versus a bird of prey, but not just any bird of prey, it's General Chang's. This is the one that can actually fire while cloaked. Of course, I think cloaking against the Discovery could be a bit of trouble because it has that continuous pulse, and if you try cloaking, it's not going to end great, is it? I'm going to be doing more Klingon battles in future because the ship's a race. That Lorca. Oh, he's taking my cloak off. Oh, there goes a bit of the bird of prey. Oh, this is actually quite evenly matched, this. Repair. Going to have to be careful here.
Integrity at 75%.
Whoa! Wow. Well, no more Lorca.
You're in danger of colliding with another ship, Captain.
In fact, I want to just see if it actually does fire through its cloak. It says in the description that it does, but I've never actually tried this, so here we go. Yep! Oh, cool, look at that. Got some fun battles with this in the future.
We're in danger of colliding with another ship, Captain.
Wow, it's one tough ship. It's very maneuverable as well, this. You can just like reverse and turn really quick. And there we go. The bird of prey wins. Thanks for watching, guys.
We got him.
Bye for now.